Oh, amazing. Oh, look at this. Mate. This is a great discovery. You wouldn't believe what I just discovered. Amazing Braino. Brain supplements for your brain. Now this will get your brain working again. Memory, energy, focus, and concentration. Oh, now this is powerful stuff. Imagine, just take a couple of these in the morning and bam, clear thinking all day long. Braino for your brain. Oh, click the link to get Braino. AmazonNutrition.com. Oh, she's a beaut.